Hello and welcome to the last day of our food unit, Food Day 7. Today we learned about ordering coffee and fast food, and we practiced using quantifiers for count and non-count nouns. Let's check our answers. First, we practice using many for countable nouns or much for non-countable nouns. Do you have much homework for tomorrow? Homework is non-countable, use much. I don't have much furniture in my house. Furniture is non-count. I know many people in the USA. Many people. My mom doesn't eat much bread. Much bread. I see many fish in the aquarium. Many fish. When you're talking about fish the animal, it's more countable than fish the food. It can be either one. Next, practice using a few or a little. I need a little paper for my homework. Paper is not countable. Piece of paper is countable. I usually get a few letters every day. A few letters. Letters are countable. This means piece of mail or card in the mail. I have a few questions to ask you. You. I have a little homework to do tomorrow. A little. I know a few people in Miami. A few. Now look at the picture and write. In this picture, I see a pot with some peppers. I see a lot of French fries. I see some pickles. There's a knife and a pepper grinder. There are 2 cloves of garlic. There's a glass of Coke with a lemon wedge and some ice. A lot of ice. There are some tomatoes, about 7 or 8. On the plate, I see 2 burgers, some corn, and some fries. Here's what I wrote. You could write differently. Be sure you used some, a few, a lot. You can pause the video and read this out loud to practice. Next, we learned about fast food restaurants. Watch the video and answer the questions. Number 1, hamburgers continue to dominate the fast food industry. Dominate means the most powerful or most popular. This is false according to the video. The video said that in the past, hamburgers dominated the fast food industry, but now you can get fast food pizza, pasta, tacos, all kinds. Number 2, fast food restaurants usually have seats for their customers to sit down. That's generally true. Number 3, all fast food restaurants have drive-through services. This is false. All fast food restaurants do not have drive-through, but it's true that many of them do. Number 4, you can order a healthy option like salad or fruit at fast food restaurants. This is true. There's usually something healthy available. Number 5, fast food restaurants have had some problems. It's true, there have been many problems that fast food restaurants have faced. And finally, we learned how to order coffee at a coffee shop. I know English in America for ordering coffee is very different than the country you may have lived in before. Here are some examples of coffees. I'll read them aloud. Espresso. This is very small, very strong coffee. Espresso. Doppio, which means double espresso. Americano. Espresso plus water. Tastes like a regular cup of coffee. Cappuccino is espresso plus hot milk plus milk foam, fluffy milk, my kids call it. Next is my favorite, latte, has more milk. Mocha, you add chocolate, mocha. Cortado has espresso and hot milk, but no fluffy milk, no foam on top. Flat white, similar to cortado, but more milk. Macchiato, espresso plus milk foam, but no steamed milk, only the foam. Con panna is the espresso plus heavy cream. It's more sweet and thick. Affogato has ice cream plus espresso, very delicious. And Irish coffee, espresso plus cream plus Irish whiskey, an alcoholic beverage. You can choose what types of milk you like in your coffee. The standard is whole milk, but you can choose low-fat, non-fat, soy, almond. You can also choose flavors like vanilla, hazelnut, chocolate, caramel, raspberry, peppermint. Many coffee shops have up to 20 flavors you can choose. And there are coffee sizes. In the US, a standard coffee is a medium or 12-ounce coffee. You can also get a small or large. Small is called, at Starbucks, tall. It's usually 8 ounces. Medium is 12 ounces. At Starbucks, it's called grande. And a large coffee is usually 16 ounces. At Starbucks, it's called venti. You can also order espresso by the number of shots, single, 1, double, 2, or triple, 3. In any coffee that has espresso, you can add an extra shot. For example, you could order a flat white, extra shot of espresso if you need a lot of coffee that day. And here are some helpful phrases that you can learn from the video. Please write your favorite coffee order, or if you don't like coffee, what hot drink do you like when it's cold outside? Of course, my favorite is a medium vanilla latte. Medium means 12 ounces. Vanilla is the flavor. Latte means milk plus coffee, or milk plus espresso. My husband always orders a large peppermint mocha with whipped cream on top. Large meaning 16 ounces, peppermint flavor. Mocha is chocolate plus espresso plus milk, and whipped cream on top. You can write your coffee order and practice saying it aloud. Great job, you're all done this week. Go explore a new restaurant, coffee shop in your neighborhood, and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.